Okay, right here is Morpheus. This is one of the biggest tragedies of Macau, and I'm going to tell you all about why. And it's just too bad you can't see it, but I will put another video at the end, an older version that I had of Morpheus, so you can see it properly and what it's supposed to look like from a distance. I'll explain the tragedy of it. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we are at Morpheus. Yeah, actually this is a spectacularly beautiful building from a distance, and also if you're inside as well. At the thumbnail at the very end, I'll put a link and then you can watch it. So if you want to just watch a little bit of it, and I'll just kind of talk about why it's such a tragedy. But the biggest reason it's a tragedy is because right here is a university called Must, and all this is private property, so no tourists can go in there. You have to go through the bodyguard to get over to that side where Must is located at. Must is Macau University of Science and Technology. So this is, and no tourists will come over here anyways because this is a very peripheral part of the Cotai Strip. But you have this beautiful Morpheus building right here, and it's so bad that you can't get in and you can't see it properly. The feng shui is awful. It should have been built somewhere amazing where you can see it from all over the city, but that wasn't done, unfortunately. We better wait. We got a red light, so usually you can just take the crosswalks in Macau, but there's a tragedy of the Morpheus. But we're still gonna go in and we'll just check it out and see what's inside and show you. I know people are curious and interested. And it's Cotai Strip down there, so there's Galaxy in the distance. And that light is a long light. And this little camera is gonna get hot quick. Okay, so there's a Morpheus. Still stuck on our light. And we're gonna go inside the building as well. And we'll see how well this camera holds out. I have a different kind of camera today. So this is called a Osmo Pocket 2. And it's a little bit different. It's already kind of hot. I've heard that that's pretty common for it anyways. So we're gonna be walking right up into this one, into that one. I'm still learning some of the settings for this camera as well. So we'll see how well it records. A little bit different because there's a thing up on top that's kind of slow, so it doesn't just look at whatever I'm pointing to. It has like a built-in gimbal, so it kind of slowly goes to it. So we're gonna go into the middle here. Let's just see here. So we're gonna be walking into this one. And I need my, there we go. I need this little health code thing on my phone to show them. Hello. Thank you. Let's just kind of take a look. So here's the front desk of Morpheus. And here's some elevators that go all the way up like that. And I think you can be up in that spot and look down. Yeah, I can see reflections from here. You see. Then you have all these receptions, so it looks like they have little iPads, so you can like self-check in, I guess. And then down here is City of Dreams, so we're part of City of Dreams, so there's a bunch of shopping that goes all the way down. House of Dancing Water, which is a tragedy. Most of those people lost their jobs with COVID. They got rid of almost the entire show, unbelievably. So that's all part of Morpheus. Gotta be careful that I'm not covering up any speakers or anything like that. Kind of a postmodern look here. It's pretty cool. And we got all those elevators right there too. So I think what we'll do, some elevators going down. Yeah, it's pretty interesting and cool when you go in. Let's just head back out though. Okay, so it's a little bit short view of the Morpheus. And then for the context, you kind of could see where we came in was down here. So we're gonna walk back down it and out. And the beauty of the Morpheus is definitely from a distance. So I think the best way to try to capture it is to walk across the street and then go down that sidewalk a little ways and just see if we can get a better view of it. But yeah, basically you can only see this from one side, and it's unfortunate that actually we'll be able to see it from up there. Okay, I'm gonna try to get it from up there, so we'll end this one right here. Okay, there's the Morpheus building right there. So now you can get a much better view. So you can kind of see this little inward part, and that's what I mean by so it's awfully placed, because there's a ton of casinos on the backside, and this and you can't really get in between these casinos very well. So that whole space is not really very conducive to seeing the beauty of this building. And then this is the only view they can get, because all of this right here is called Must University. It's private for students. Only students can get on this campus. So they would have the view that the tourists should have. The tourists should be able to see the view straight on. And there's no way to get that straight on view. It just doesn't exist. The only way you can get it is if you've been on the campus, like I've been on the campus, and I'll put that at the end. I'll put a video with Must and Morpheus so you can see what it looks like from the campus view. Or if you get up into the hiking part, I'll show you real quick. There's up here, there's a nice hill. We'll show that right here. So up here, you can kind of see from here, but not very well. But then in the background, there's this mountain, and you can hike in this mountain. There's a trail up there, but not many tourists ever go hiking in Macau on the Cotai Strip. You know, they usually go to the casinos. And yeah, that's the Must University right there. So you have to be up on that mountain, and you can get a good view of Morpheus. Now you can see it a little bit from this angle, slightly. Kind of see it a little bit right there, right? Yeah, that's actually really unfortunate that you just can't get a good view. So maybe I'll try to get a view from here. So you can see a little bit more of Morpheus from that angle, right? Look through the ceiling. So anyways, that's the Morpheus. And it is just so awfully placed. Like, that would be amazing if you had it, like if you could see it from driving and you look like you're gonna go right into it, you know, maybe from one of these little areas. Maybe the Morpheus was over there. Maybe if it had the Venetian location, anywhere on that strip would be amazing as well, right over there. But yeah, instead it's kind of placed overlooking a university that is a private university where nobody can really get on there except the students and their parents, I guess, and the faculty. You can't get on. I got on before, but anyways, that's the Morpheus right there.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movimento.